Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Apple. Com or opening settings on a trusted Apple device. Enter your Apple ID and password now. Once done, go to Security or Password and Security. This is where phone numbers are managed. If a two-factor code is required and you don't have your lost number, choose Didn't get a code to receive a code on a trusted device or tap the option to start account recovery. Make sure you note any recovery instructions shown on screen. Next, add and verify your new phone number so future codes reach you. On the web, go to Security, then Edit, and on iPhone, use Password and Security Edit. Enter the new number, choose Call or Text for verification, and complete the code entry. This links the number to your account. Once the new number is verified, remove the lost number to avoid confusion, and make sure each of your Apple devices reflects the change so that device-based verification and iCloud services continue without interruption. To finish, sign out then sign back in on one device to confirm two-factor codes arrive at the new phone number. Test iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime to ensure continuity. Then review devices in your Apple ID and remove any you no longer trust. If you cannot sign in at all because codes still go to the lost number, start account recovery immediately and follow the timeline Apple provides. If recovery stalls, contact Apple support and be ready to show purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.